Good morning. It is Wednesday, October 13th, a couple minutes before the Legacy Pit Open in oil. Getting ready for my first trade of the day. Oops, and this is still on sim from some messing around I was doing yesterday. Okay, there we go. Let's check our position sizes. Yep, we're at 2 across the board. We're in the right accounts. Yep, everything looks good. All I am trading right now for this setup is oil, so just these left two DOMs. Don't care about the equities on the right. So I'm ignoring all of that. And right now we are certainly pushing down. Energy is down. We got UB at the low. So, I mean, there's no question I'm looking to play low here. Where would I want to play is the question. I would probably want to play here. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get my order on now. Whoops. There we go. All right, good. And we got 30 seconds to go to the open. Now let's see if we get some continuation down to resolve that UB. I certainly think it's likely. Maybe we get a quick one this morning. Those are always fun. Here we go. In 10 seconds. Oh, we got some old zero prints as well that resolved yesterday. I remember that. That was really interesting. First thing in the morning. Or early in the morning. Here we go. We're pushing down. All right. And got to, of course, obligatory wiggle around a bit. Pushing up a little. We've got quite a bit of battle happening between the buying and the selling. The pace of the tape is kind of all over the place right now. Not too shocking, given that it's the open, although it kind of feels like it's already sort of calming down a little bit. That was sort of quick. Just a brief flurry and then just sort of settling in. We've got some selling happening here. Building out an early volume profile here. Let's see. We had some stops get triggered there for a brief moment. All right, now we're pushing higher with UB, so perhaps the direction is going to be up at least for a bit. Do I think the upside is in play here during A period? Yeah, it's possible. It's oil. It could do it. It could get all the way up here. I mean, we don't have a price rejector, so, you know, it's possible. I still feel that the low is more likely. And in fact, we seem to have run out of gas up here. We got less excess at the low, so it does now look like we're going to head low and resolve that UB at least. But let's see. Yep, there it goes. And we are still pushing down, and we've not quite got a price rejector there, but it's close enough that it could still reject. Min delta is right here. Nope, we're pushing through. All right, UB, here we go. Here's my trade. Here it comes. And maybe. Oh, nope, not yet. Not yet. Okay, we're right back up into the middle of the range. Very interesting. All right, delta's the right way around, so we're orderly right now. We could just hang out here in the delta range for a bit, but you know, for A period, my money is literally on. I doubt that's going to happen. I think we're going to move, but we will probably add a little volume in here just to fill it out. Pretty well balanced right now. There is UB at the top, but from just a volume distribution standpoint, we're pretty balanced. Pullback deltas are just shifting around. Most of the volume's up at the top, so we've definitely got more interest up here. Buyers are trying to maintain control, but they're not really taking it anywhere yet. They're working on it. So far, the sellers are stepping in, keeping it down. But if they can push up through and resolve that UB, I think we could push a bit higher. We could probably push, you know, the 16 to 20 area is not out of the question. I would say. I think they'll run into trouble after 20. If it can even push up there, and it may not even be able to. We'll see. It looks like the buyers are kind of running out of steam here. Sellers are regaining control, trying to push it lower. But they're fighting for it. Will this be our second shot down? Get me my trade or not? Well, buyers are reasserting. But they don't seem to be able to just to hold it. Yep, there we go. All right, we're down at min delta again. Trying to push through it. Can the sellers do it? Yes, the sellers have pushed through min delta. Can they hold it now? Can they keep the pressure on? Will the buyers fail to step up? Nope. Okay, buyers have stepped back up again. Rotating positive. Well, can't hold it though. Just kind of stuck in the delta range. Most of the interest is up at max delta, but it's not a terribly gigantic range right now or anything. It's pretty just routine. Oh, come on, sellers, let's go. Can you do it? I have faith in you. Here we go. There's some selling coming in. Can they keep it on? Nope. Got a good chunk of buyers sitting right down there around min delta, and they are just keeping it from moving down. Just fighting around the open. It's definitely quite the inflection point. We're pretty well balanced above and below the open. A little bit further above than below. But other than that, this is a pretty darn perfect bell curve on this profile. So really could go either way. Somebody just needs to step up and move it. Looks like the sellers are trying to do that now, but those buyers right there at min delta. Oh, there they go. The sellers got aggressive, and here we are. Here's the trade. I am short, and okay, the sellers are still keeping the pressure on. They're trying to push it, And here we go. Here, yep, UB. All right, great. We're good. Whoa. Getting tricky. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay. Somebody decided that they were moving that market. Holy smokes. Look at that aggression. Look at those zero prints. All right. Well, as my note says, it is break time. So I am going to go step away for a bit, come back for my next setup in B period of oil and A period of ES. See you then.